Hello, this is Lolly, and I received some mail today, and I don't normally do videos showing what my happy mail is, and there are reasons behind that, but I started trying to take pictures of these paper clips, and I thought I really need to show this on video. So I did swaps for our paperclip art group, and this our challenge was the 12 paper clips of 2017, and we made a paperclip every month, but we only made 2 of those every other month, and then we were going to swap those 6 clips. So this is my first swap, and this is a new Canadian friend of mine named Deborah. And I want to show you, one of the months was a binder clip, and I love this with the crayons on that. So cute. So I want to show you, this must have been the movie theme day. So cute. Look at that. Popcorn. That's very adorable. And I love this. We had one that, the swap theme, you had to use a paperclip on your paperclip art. So very cute. I love that. And family, very cute. I'm noticing that her name is not on the back, so I want to write her name on the back before I forget who sent this to me, because they're just so adorable. I know later on I'm going to look at that and wonder, who was that again? So this is Women's History Month. We did one where we honored some woman in women's history, and then she gave me some extras of cute little hand paper clips and these jumbo ones, which are adorable, bright colors. So thank you so much, Deborah. Very, very cute. I'm going to put her name on this. I'm putting them back in the box to make sure that I don't get sidetracked. Now this one, when I saw this, I thought, well, I really need to do a video. Look at her, oops, look at her binder clips. She put 2 of them in there. She and I had decided, since we had made so many paper clips, we were going to go ahead and swap 12 instead of 6. And this is unusual, but this was our decision. So we we did swap 12. But she made this little display box for it. So I thought, I can't even get this all in a picture, so I'm going to have to show you what she did. She made this little notebook with these fold-up areas here that she could put clips on, and she put pockets here with clips. There's clips in here, and there's clips in this pocket here. So let's go through them. This one says create. I'm guessing that might have been her word for the year. And there's another binder clip right here that's fall, that kind of matches the other 2. So, and then there's this beautiful, it is so tiny. I mean, I've made shaker paper clips, but look how tiny this is. That is so sweet. My goodness. And this umbrella, which actually has raindrops hanging from it. Let me get this off of here and put this on a white background. When I make traveler's notebooks and I have leftover papers from the pages, the inserts, I just put them in a strip and binder clip them for notes. So look at this. Look at those raindrops. Are those cute or what? Very, very clever, girl. That was interesting that you did that. And then the umbrella handle goes right along the bottom of the paper clip. And then this one, I think this is the first time that I really met her, and her name is Sally, is that she did my little flipbook video that I had, a flipbook paper clip. And she did a video of it and tagged me in it. And that is too cute. Fun in the sun, and it's all sunny and yellow. It's really cute that she put that next to the umbrella there. Let's look in here. So we had create. I see some more words coming out. Improve. And grow. That must have been her words for the year. Very nice. I think she may have done those on her cameo, and they're laminated. And then the one where we did honoring someone a woman in history, and then she's got Mother Teresa here. This is really sweet because for her paperclip on a paperclip, she has the itty bitty paper clips, and she's got flowers in this garden here, and the paper clips are the flowers. And look at this tree, how tiny those little leaves and trees are. Wow. And this one, I am looking at that. Look at that. This is... It's like a shadow box that the waves and the water go up in varying stages with a little dolphin in there. That's really creative. And then we're both Star Wars fans, so this is really cute. I actually saw her video on how to make this one. Let's see if I can find it and give you the link there. First place, and she's got the, oops, sorry, she's got this little Jingle Bell Christmassy one. And then in here, Make sure, yeah, so I thought there's one more in there. She's got this cute little bat, little Frankenstein's monster, and a spider web. This is really, really sweet. And I think both these ladies just went really all out in putting together this swap. This was an interesting way of presenting and putting all the paper clips together. So I have to look at that. And I'll have to ask her if she has a tutorial on making this. That would be very helpful to share with the group. I will give you the link below to her channel. I don't think Deborah has a channel. I will give you the link to her channel and to our paperclip art group. So if you want to join the swap and the challenge for 2018, you can come and do that. Thank you for watching.